Cricket Wireless now makes activation easier with eSIM technology, meaning you don't need a physical SIM card anymore. An eSIM, or embedded SIM, is built directly into your phone and can be programmed remotely. Instead of inserting a card, you simply scan a QR code that securely connects your device to Cricket's network. That QR code contains encrypted activation data and is typically valid for one-time use for security reasons. Before getting started, make sure your phone supports eSIM and is unlocked. Most newer devices like recent iPhones, Samsung Galaxy models, Google Pixel phones, and other modern Android devices are compatible. You'll also need an active Cricket account and a purchase plan. After buying your plan, you can find your eSIM QR code in the Cricket Wireless app under the Activation section, inside your online account dashboard, or in the confirmation email or SMS sent after purchase. Some retail stores may also provide a printed QR code. To activate, open your phone's settings, go to Cellular or Mobile Data, select Add Cellular Plan, then scan the QR code and follow the prompts. Activation usually completes within 5 to 15 minutes. If scanning fails, contact Cricket support to resend the code or assist manually.